Just realized the music wasn't on. What up, chat? How we doing? How we doing? What up, what up, what up? What up, chat? Yo, stream, bro. Zaki, chill, bro. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I gotta move over, bro. What's good? What's up, bro? Yesterday was a fight. Chat, if you were in the stream yesterday, we fought for that. We fought for that green yesterday. What we got? Oh, we already hit daily gap. Look at that. Almost like we said this candle would happen. Yesterday, chat, what did we say? Set up the daily gap for tomorrow. Let's go. If this flips, we're shorting, chat, into these lows for sure. Now we've achieved daily gap. Does ES want to reach up into daily gap? That's the question now. Does ES want to reach up into the daily gap? Gotta hold it down when you got one. Got one. We have indeed taken out the daily Sibby. Bum, bum, bum. Apple user, what's up, brother? I recognize you. You see God in me. I don't wanna hurt nobody. Well, bam. Well, bam. There's daily Sibby tag. We're just marking it out so you guys know what you're looking at. Daily Sibby, daily Sibby. Got one. Got one. Gotta hold it down if you got one. Got one. For me, that daily gap got filled yesterday. I don't know what's good with your charts, Brody. You must not be looking at futures. You must not be looking at futures. You gotta be looking at CFDs or something, brother. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, bro? Daily gap tag, chat. So I want to see these flip now. I'm just wondering if ES wants to reach up into the daily gap first. So if ES wants to reach up into daily gap, we might have to submit to this high going first, and then once we get that flip lower, it's shorts. It should be money shorts. So NQ's probably gonna chop and stall if ES is gonna push up into previous day high, which is daily Sibby. Music is loud, can barely hear you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. How's that? Appreciate you, E-Murder. Thank you for saying that. Let me know if that's better. Should be a lot better. Better. All right. Is my audio good? Chat, is my audio good? Oh, you sound good. All right, cool. So, Zaki said for me now, previous day high got swept. When you say for me, are you saying CFDs? What are you looking at? You should look at the futures, bro. The futures are so accurate. I don't trust the offshore CFD brokers, bro. Charmaine. Yes, bro. Audio is good. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Chat, we got coffee today. It's low-key cold though. I'm about to try to heat it up. I have a thing my girlfriend got me. It's like a heated coaster, so it keeps my coffee hot. My girlfriend's gifts are so thoughtful, man. That's such like a thoughtful thing. She knows I be drinking stuff on stream. Everybody knows I drink stuff on stream. Let's go, let's go. Alright, so here's the question, chat. Do we flip this and sell and then ES leaves this daily gap SMT? Bro, why is TikTok saying this? Your live is not eligible for recommendation or restricted in search because it contains unoriginal or reproduced content. What is reproduced? Bro, why is TikTok like this? Different color coffee. Yeah, it's slightly different. I'm not sure what that means. Smelling like dope again. I don't even smoke, but my bro got a one. Don't get it. Could it be the music? What does that mean, bro? They're so vague with what they're saying. I don't like it. I don't know. We'll figure it out after the stream. It's annoying. Very strict. Yeah, I don't know what they're being strict about though, because the rules are so vague. Like what they're saying makes no sense. What is being repurposed? Because there's nothing against streaming at the same time. So what are they possibly saying? Because I can assure you this is my content. I'm doing it live. Let's go. I know it again. I don't even. But my bro got a on him. Move camera to right. Yes, sir. Did he say he does? I'm listening to Sunday. Lord help me fix my gaze upon the cross. Alright, we should be good now. We should be good now. Nothing can be a loss. Alright, chat. Let's go. We got ES reaching into the daily gap, chat. So once daily gap gets hit, we should see price flip. We should see the 15-minute. We should see the 1 hour. We should see the 5-minute flip into a bearish order flow. Then we can look to play shorts. Right now, I'm not longing into this. I'm good. Tsunami, 100%. You can long into that if that's what you want to do. I'm waiting. To me, it's right there. You know what I mean? I'll just wait for it to get hit, then short. But I 100% see that logic. Very clear draw into this. Like if you wanted to long off this into there, it's just R-wise, it's not worth it to me really. My stop's gonna be at these lows, like a 1-to-1. I'm good. I'll just wait for it to get hit, then we'll play shorts. Chat, am I the market? All right. Did I not call this candle yesterday? Like at the beginning of the day? Yes or no, chat? If you were in the stream yesterday, did I not say that this daily candle was going to mess around for the entire day so that this second follow-up candle can sting into this daily gap? Now, once we flipped off this daily Sibi, we should see the rest of this week move lower. If we get that, I literally told you guys this on stream at like 9:30 on Monday. I'm not saying I'm not sitting here saying like I'm some magician or something. I'm just saying you guys see the accuracy. You can't fake this. We do it live on stream. It's chart time, and it's just understanding how price delivers from PD ray to PD ray. Gaps and liquidity. That's all it is. I'm not sitting here saying I'm some magic dude that broke the market, bro. I'm not. I promise you I'm not. I take losses. I get it wrong. I'm offside at times, but I'm very accurate with bias. I'm very accurate with getting on, getting on side with price. That's what I'm trying to get through to you guys. The conviction in where price is going gives you conviction in execution. What up, D-Trades? Short City? Yes, sir. Wait till this flips, though. This has got to flip first. I'd like to at minimum see like a 5 flip. Like if we could get this to the downside, then I'll flip shorts. But I'm not gonna play a 1 minute gap off the daily. I want to see a little bit of structure. When I say structure, I just want to see a little bit of bro, what is going on? I just want to see a little bit of bearish structure to the downside. I don't know what's good. If I swallowed cinnamon or what? I don't know how I feel about this coffee. I don't know how I feel about this coffee. It's like almond milk. I'm not messing with the almond milk. I like whole milk. But I ran out of whole milk. I don't know. I don't know if I'm messing with it. Kind of mid. IFVGs are so strong. They're good. They're not magic. They're a good entry function. Just gaps. I think gaps are very strong. Watching gaps get flipped. Gaps get respected. FVGs and liquidity is all you need. I'm showing you guys every day. Anyone that says otherwise, they haven't done enough work in the charts. Like not to be egotistical, it's just facts. Anyone that says you can't trade with just gaps and liquidity doesn't know ball. They haven't put enough time in. And the truth is about life, guys, people are gonna tell you you can't do stuff that they couldn't do, right? So if they try to do something and they don't succeed, they don't give it enough time, they didn't break through, whatever it may be, or they just couldn't get it done, they're gonna tell you you can't do it. Unfortunately, that is the truth. We're stinging deep into the daily Sibi, so we might need to really see a good flip here. Chat, I just dropped like 1,200 bucks on Pokemon. $12.50. I dropped $12.50 on Pokemon. But it's an investment. I buy things that go up. Right now we're just waiting, we're just chilling. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I bought. I paid $12.50, chat. Oh shoot. Charizard. Those are only gonna go up. A lot of people are getting into Pokemon. I've been in it for a few years now, so I know what to buy. Look at the Discord. You're the air I breathe, help me abide in you. I don't wanna be far. Can you go over top down on the chart? Sure. Yeah. Nice, bro. Thank you. Yeah, I buy them as an investment. Like, I have a decent amount of money in it. But I do it because they go up and they appreciate and I know what to buy. What is Pokemon? You don't know what Pokemon is, Derek? There's no way. I live under a rock? You must. You don't know what Pokemon is? Are you joking or you actually don't? That's insane. The fact that you've never heard of Pokemon is wild. I don't wanna be far from you. If you guys want to try and snipe the top, you can play one of these flips on the 1 minute. I'm gonna wait for a little bit more. But if you want to try and snipe the top, play one of these 1 minutes. I'm gonna wait for a little bit more. So I'm most likely gonna wait for this to flip. But this should be the top here, ideally. If price wants to be nice to us. We didn't hit the overlapping, but we did hit it here. If this flips clean, this would be so textbook. Do you know what Digimon is? Yeah, I've heard of Digimon. That's some old stuff. Yu-Gi-Oh, Digimon. Remember Beyblade? Bakugan? Bro, there's so many. You open seats for the righteous and you always move the way for them. You open up in the morning when the day is new. You're such a friend. Chad, this looks nice. We gotta see this follow through though. I learned more about your love in Ephesians. But I need you the most now. You're the only one I see. I mean, that's a big... I don't want to swear. A big stop though. I don't like how we have the 5 minute gap right below though. Like, just in case this wants to come up and put in a new high before going lower. I kind of want to see this 5 minute flip. Low key, chat. Low key, I want a little more confirmation. I always err on that side of wanting extra confirmation. I'm gonna wait for this to flip, chat. Just in case this wants to do some debauchery and do something like this. Because that do be happening a lot. Very common signature will run out the 1 minute high. Coming off a daily level too. So I kind of just want to see. Also, what do we think is weaker right now? Because to me, it's unclear. Like, nothing's standing out. NQ's obviously slightly more volatile. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. This is a big stop though. I don't like these biggest stops. You are the God that keeps in perfect peace all those who trust in you. You open seats for the righteous and you always move the way for them. One of these flips could be really nice if you guys want to take a riskier entry, lower confirmation. Take that. Lower confirmation, better R, riskier. Once we flip this, that's your 4R. I'm I'm gonna wait for a little bit more. 10 a.m. reversal. Yeah, daily gap shorts, man. Should be good. This coffee's mid, bro. This coffee's mid. Hate to see it. Mid-ass coffee. All right, chat. This looks really good. This looks really good. Jesus, sometimes I feel like saying goodbye, but my time will not yet. This looks really good. Oh my lord, this looks good. Flip this 5-minute gap, and then we're game time. To see everything you've done. What beautiful cells. Beautiful, beautiful cells. We probably could have played one of these flips earlier, but I want to see this 5-minute fail because this 5-minute might pop it. What I don't want to see is that, because that's possible. Again, I want to see this 5-minute go. This is kind of a tight stop. I mean a wide stop. It's not tight. 15 points on ES is not tight. But we already flip. All right, NQ low-key looks weaker, chat. NQ low-key looks weaker. I am so in love, God, with your goodness. Yeah, NQ looks weaker. Fudge. Oh my lord. Don't do this to me. Yo, NQ is hella weak. $70-point stop is crazy. I don't have a good spot for this stop. That's the problem here. Here. This is gonna pop up into the 1 minute. Alright, wait, we're looking to pull the trigger on this. Trying to pull the trigger on this. I just want to see something. NQ's weaker. I want to be an NQ. Bro, this is brutal. One con. 273 on that is... Oh my gosh. Pop up. I might have to chase it, chat. I might have to chase it. ES is confirming. ES is about to confirm. Do we want to just trade ES? NQ is low-key weaker. But ES makes more sense. Oh yeah, dude. NQ's weaker. Fudge. The R just makes way more sense. I might have to get an ES, chat. I might have to get an ES. Because NQ is just trolling on entry. The stop loss is massive. It is indeed. It is indeed. But price is gonna price, man. If price is gonna be this way, you gotta adjust. Like if price is gonna have a wide structure, my stops are based on structure, man, not point size. But it is indeed. Unless we tighten it. Alright, we're in ES. We'll see if we pay the price on being in the stronger ticker here. This is a very specific scenario where like we're in the stronger ticker, but it's just because I don't want to enter NQ down here and have a 95-point stop just because it's weaker. And the way it confirmed is kind of tough on this trade. Generally, I always want to be in the weaker ticker. So we'll see if this F's us over or what. NQ confirmed. NQ and ES both confirmed closing under the 5-minute gaps though. So hopefully we don't get faked out here with some BS off the 5-minute. Like I said, I'd rather be in NQ. So if you guys are already in NQ, GG's to you. But it didn't make sense. It just didn't make much sense. Well, what do we have for like break even? Thinking how tomorrow should be. What's these lows? I'm trying to figure out these TPs real quick. We want good TPs. 15-minute low. Here's a 1 hour low. Alright, we got a 1 hour. We got a 1 hour. Think about swings. And so many times I've tried my way. I think I'm gonna tighten this chat. I sized fine. Alright, that's the stop. I love the way you bring. Alright, chat, we're laying it out. You know exactly what we're looking for now. Good follow through, man. Come on. Good follow through. Keep selling. Did we take? We just took out lows. Shoot. I low-key want to be BE off these lows. I like where my stop's at. I'm gonna leave it for now. I'm gonna wait for the ES lows. This might pop off the NQ lows for a second. Let's see. We have to survive the retracement of the 5. What an entry. Beautiful entry. 14-point stop is crazy though, chat. 14-point stop is crazy. If you want to be more risk averse, because NQ just took out 15-minute lows, you could BE here. I'm gonna leave my stop. I'm gonna leave my stop on. I'm not gonna take risk off yet. It's a little too early for me. A little bit too early for my liking, chat. We did take lows on NQ though, so this buy up makes sense. We're likely gonna need it to survive a retracement. After this retracement, this guy in the chat, man, you're funny. I'm not that much of an unk, bro. I'm not that much of a unk. We gotta survive this retracement, chat. Because the pop off the lows makes perfect sense. NQ took out lows there. So we're likely gonna retrace up, and then ideally this falls through lower off daily gap. If it doesn't, we're bouncing off a 15-minute gap right now in ES. It's not ideal. I really don't want to see this run out my these highs though. Hopefully we'll be all right. This is a good trade either way, man. I like this trade. Are you in a trade? Yeah, I'm sure. I like this trade. If this goes to stop, chat, this is a great trade. Like I will slam this trade 100 times out of 100 times I see this setup. Like this is a good short. I promise you, chat. I do not care about the outcome. I care about taking good trades every single day. This is a good trade. We stung into the daily Sibby. Beautiful 5-minute flip to the downside. ES and NQ both had good confirmation and speed. This is like a B, borderline A setup. I'll take this every single time. The only knock on this, honestly, it's probably a B, is because I'm not in the weaker ticker. I would say NQ is weaker, but really these bulls should fall through lower. So I'll give it a B grade on the setup, but really this is like borderline in A setup. I'll take this every single time. I don't care if it loses. If you don't take these types of trades, chat, what trades are you going to take? You can take a great trade, a high probability A, great trade and lose money. And you can take an SHIT trade, a horrible trade and make money. That's the problem with trading. Like you can reinforce bad habits if you don't have the right perspective and approach. A winning trade is not always a good trade, chat. A lot of newer traders don't understand that. Just because you made money on the trade does not mean anything. The market does not care. You need to be focused on consistency. You need to be focused on the process, doing the right things day in and day out, and taking good trades with edge every single day. We take good trades on stream. That's why I take 1 or 2 trades a day, chat. I don't take 5 setups, 8 setups a day. I'll take losses and say they're good losses. Just because I lose doesn't mean anything. We're gonna lose. I've been using. I have no idea what that is, bro. This dude. Yo, Eddie, welcome back to the stream, bro. I remember you. You're funny. Why do all the live streamers trade intraday? Intraday is just better, man. You can't really live stream swing trading either. What's an SHIT trade? It's probably the trade you took last, man. Whatever trade you took last, it's probably that. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, bro. You probably take good trades. I'm just messing with you. Samson, what's up, brother? What up, Samson? This is a good trade, though, chat, regardless of outcome. If this goes straight to stop at this 15 right now, this will still be a good trade. I am hitting risk on this trade every single time, 100 times out of 100 times. I don't care if it loses. Focus on taking good trades. This passion. We gotta survive a pump back up. So we have the 5-minute gap on NQ now. We have a very, very indistinguishable 5-minute gap on ES. This dude said the matter baby indicator. Now this is where I ask you, what's the matter baby indicator? Ah ha ha. Alright, we gotta survive this pump up. If you want me to say what's the matter baby, I'll just say what's the matter baby. Bro, y'all think I'm that much of an unk? Yo, Eddie Parks, you listen to Imagine Dragons? Imagine dragging these. Nothing much. I see we got an SMT off the 5-minute open. We do. Chat, we cooking? Tsunami, you in shorts or what? Tsunami, you in some shorts or how you looking? Chat, are we short? Are we long? What are you guys doing? Let's hear about it. Are we fading me? Is there someone in chat fading again? Like yesterday? Because man got cooked. Man got cooked yesterday. Bro said I'm in longs because of you, because I was in a short and got absolutely... Bro, that stuff is so funny. Occasionally there's going to be people that do that and the trade wins and they're going to feel like geniuses. But if they do it over like 200 trades, they're going to have like a 30% win rate. We waiting for the 5-minute continuation. Valid. NQ is definitely the better short, unfortunately. But the R was just ass. Trying not to swear, but the R was just not good. The market makers are fading you. Nah, there be people in chat just fading me for no reason, bro. Shorting with the sensei. Let's go. Let's go. Chat, NQ is a better short. We knew it too. We said it. We said it. We knew it. We said it. We knew it. Yes, is stronger. So let's see if we get cooked because of it. What is that candle up? Yeah, NQ is the way better short. It might screw us over. I don't want to see this I don't want to see this candle come up like that, so we should be all right. Doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense for this candle to go where our stop is. Our stop should be good unless we're just wrong and it just doesn't reverse right now. If it just doesn't reverse right now off the daily civvy chat, then it is what it is. Like that is a beautiful trade we're taking. Regardless of outcome, if this goes straight up to the stop loss right now, I will tell you this is a great trade. I don't care. You take this trade 100 times, chat, you're making money. You're making a lot of money. I would say the only knock, chat, is being an NQ. You'd rather be an NQ on this. NQ is weaker, but the entry was tougher. I would have had to take it right up here. I would have had to get it in before ES flipped that gap. So I don't know. We'll journal it. We can learn from it a little bit. We always want to be in that weaker ticker. That's really the only knock I have is I'm in the stronger ticker. I had to see it. Alright, I'm about to be E because NQ just took out kilos again. Alright, we're risk free, chat. We're risk free. Risk free, chat. BE, 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 BE. Everyone go break even. Go break even. Oh, dude, I don't even have my TP set. Hold on. Hold on. I'm taking 2 off at the low. Right here. And then I'm taking 1 off. And then I'm taking 1 off here. Pray, oh Lord. Lord, I love you. Bro, this is beautiful. Oh my NQ, chat. Oh my NQ. Oh my NQ. I wish we were in NQ. Bro, that was such... We might get cucked now because NQ took out the lows. Fudge. That's 4-hour gap on NQ, chat. We might get cucked now. We want to see this fall through lower. We might get cucked. I'm not gonna lie, chat. We might get cucked on ES. I'm keep it all the way on here with you guys. There's a good chance we get cucked on ES unless this falls through down right now. We don't want to see this bounce yet. We don't want to see this bounce yet. I might just take the 2R at these lows for real. I mean, there's still hella room. Nah, I'm gonna let it go. I'll take 2 off at these lows. We might get cucked though if this bounces. Because NQ just took out major lows and traded into a 4-hour BISI. So there's a decent shot that this pushes back up. Yeah, we might get cooked, but we're holding. TP1 hasn't been hit. I wish we were in NQ. That would have been money to the lowest. Literally, that was our target right there. It would have had to be that fill, and I don't know where my stop would have been because this is a crazy ass candle, bro. It would have been if I took the bodies, it would have been 100 points. Chat, do we be content with our 2R or do we leave a runner if it comes to this low? Because this has room. Like, this has room to go if this flips the 4-hour. If this flips the 4-hour right now, we have room to go down. We still have the daily external all the way down here. NQ would have been a banger, though. Chat, who's fading me? Real talk, why are people fading me? I'm not trying to be... I'm not trying to be a jerk, but why are you fading me, bro? How is that working for you, fading my trades? Let me know, chat, let me know. People be in the Discord chat talking about I'm in longs now because you're short. How is that working for you, bro? Just let me know how that's going. I might take one off in a second. We got all the fundeds on the copier right now, chat. It's like 30 fundeds on the copier. Give me that. I'm taking this off. That's our 2R. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, chat. 2R locked in. All right, buy stop is 1. Yo, we're cooking. This is a banger. Chat, when we were in drawdown up here, I told you this is a good trade. It doesn't matter what the outcome is. That's a good trade regardless. Every single time I'm taking that. Who's fading me in the chat? I don't understand. Like, how is that working for you? This is a banger. We really do this, chat. Sometimes you just gotta talk your shit. Sometimes you just gotta talk your shit, especially when they're in the chat trying to fade you. Bro, this is a banger. On these lows, I'm trailing down. We took 2 off, chat, so we got 1 left. That's 2. That's 75 out at 2R. This is a banger trade, like just beautiful. Textbook. A setup. We're even in the slightly stronger ticker, still played beautiful. I think I'm gonna take Asia lows. I wish I had more. I would literally hold to the daily external because this thing could go. Like this thing has rooms. Go shit. What up, Germ? Yeah, we're in a banger right now. This is a good short. This is a really good short. Jeremy, dude in the last stream came in the chat. I was in the short, meaning I'm looking to sell it lower, and he's like, "Yeah, I'm in longs now because of you. Get the fuck out of here, bro." Trying not to swear, but like I said, sometimes you gotta talk your shit. Bro wants to fade me and have like a 30% win rate. YouTube stream, how we looking? YouTube chat, how we looking? You guys caught that with me, right? You guys better all be green. Real rap, you guys better all be green. I don't know, like if you're not green, you gotta be green. That's a banger we just gave. I'm looking for these lows and I'm out. I could really take it off here. That's a 2.5, chat. Oh my god, this is heavy. Oh my god, this is heavy, chat. We might see a retracement here off these lows. That's the 1 hour lows. Oh my god, it's so heavy, chat. We're out of this low. If it hits this low, I'm out. That's a 3R to the low, chat. 3R to the low. I'm trailing the TP1 now. Chat, I trail the TP1. So it's 2R locked in either way. 2R locked in either way. We're green bean either way. If this retraces, we're out 2R. It's fine. I'm not giving it back. Too good of a short. I'm not giving it back. Can't give it back, chat. You got to manage the trade well. Give me the lows. That'd be 3R to the lows. This is a banger, man. What a good trade. I told you guys when we were losing on this trade, this was a good trade because the outcome doesn't matter. Bro, come on, chat. We really do this. We really do this, chat. We're out. I'm done. Yo, bro, this is a heavy day. This might this really has some room to go. Chat, you got room all the way to these lows. If you're still holding, you have room. You're just gonna need to hold through a retrace probably. YouTube stream, y'all better be green bean with me. What a beautiful, beautiful setup. That was an A setup off the daily gap. Man, what a beautiful day. Those are the days you live for. Like, that is a beautiful, beautiful short. I don't care if that went to stop and we took a loss. That is a great trade. No matcha today. Yeah, I got the coffee. This coffee's mid, bro. This coffee is mid. I'm out, chat. I'm out. I only had 3 cons. I wish I had a few more. Yeah, that was a beautiful trade, chat. Like, really, I want you guys to really, if you didn't take that or you didn't want to or you didn't like it or something, you got to study. Like, respectfully. I'm not trying to be a jerk, but you got to study. That is a beautiful trade. That's the type of trade you got to study. That's an A setup right there. This is about to go all the way to the lows. We have 4-hour swing, so next target's these lows. But yeah, chat, if you weren't in that, gotta go back and study and learn from that. That's a great trade. Not even like my trade, just in general. Go study price. Look at the market. Why was that such a good setup? The speed, the delivery into the daily gap, right? That manipulation off open. We have 9:30 open. We come up. We trade into the higher time frame gap. Lower time frame flips. Beautiful confirmation on ESN and Q. Like, this is a textbook setup day. Dog, this is probably gonna be 5-6 R to the lows if you hold through. I'm taking partials though, chat. I don't need these big R banger days. I'm just trying to stack 2R, 3R every single day. That's all I want. 2R, 3R on the copier every single day, chat. That's all we gotta do. Be content with more than enough, chat. I don't know how I'm up so much on these rhythmic. That must be a sizing issue, but it worked in my bro. I don't know what happened, but we're up more than we should be on some of the accounts. That's because they're rhythmic. I don't know if it had a position sizing problem or what. Chat, you want to see the P&L? Bang, 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 bang. Stack base hits on a copier, chat. That's end game. This is all you want to do is stack base hits on a copier. That's all it takes. We take the green, we hop off, we go touch grass. This is a banger short. Really a banger short. Man. That's a beautiful day. Like you have to soak it all in on these types of days, chat, and enjoy it, because there's not always days like this. We got more too. We got more too. I can't even fit all the fundeds in the screenshot. That was a beautiful trade, chat. I don't know see the bottom three, the rhythmics, those are top steps with rhythmic. I don't know why they sized more, but I take it on a banger. Holy beautiful cells, bro. Where's the bro, where is your loss? What do you mean? Chat, that was a banger. I'm gonna keep saying it. We cooked today. On all fundeds, we cooked. We cooked, chat. Beautiful, beautiful day. All right, enough P&L flexing. I'm gonna put the other thing on though, just so the people that come to the stream know. Stack funded, chat. Don't overcomplicate it. You get a copier that's reputable, that works well, that doesn't have issues. Cough, cough, trade copia, right? And once you've done that, you take what you can get out of the market every single day, and you don't overcomplicate it. Chat, you better be green bean with us. We had like 60 viewers on YouTube. We're out the trade. Now there's 30. As YouTube and social media in a summary. You catch bangers, they love you. You take losses or you don't do anything, they don't love you no more. You gotta cook. You had a -1R. I did not have a -1R. Yesterday I had a -1R and then I had a +2. I didn't have no -1R today. We straight up just caught a banger short. That's it. There's no loss today. We just give bangers, chat. We just give bangers. That feels good. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Markets have been nice to us. Nah, I text the homie to see if you caught it. Now we text the homie to see if they caught it. Chris better have caught that. You see why we sell at lows, chat? Look what we're doing. We're buying back up. You have to hold through this retracement now. You're gonna have to hold shorts through this retracement. This is why we're content with more than enough. Right? We take the base hits. We're gonna have to hold through this retrace. All I want is base hits, chat. I don't need 8R. I don't need 7R. Even this probably will retrace and still sell lower, but I don't need to hold that. I'm good. Base hits every single day. That's what it's about. Show the entry. You see the entry on the screen, brother. Entry is right. The fill is right here. Mr. Zaki. Mr. Zaki, you gotta stop fading me, bro. I'm just trolling. I know you don't fade me. 7470. 7470 is the fill. That's entry. So my entry was this confirmation under the 5 minutes. Let me get rid of all these gaps on my damn screen. Chat, study the stream today for that structure. We walked price. We walked price, man. Also, let me just say, let me make it very clear. If you guys didn't catch this, I saw someone in chat. Abi, bro, I promise you I've been there. I ate absolute shit for years of trading. I ate shit for like 3 years, bro. Don't beat yourself up if you didn't catch that. But here's your job, bro. If you didn't catch that, Abi, study. Make sure it happened. Make sure next time this type of setup presents itself, you're able to have pattern recognition. You're able to have that recognition with your understanding of the markets and the setups. And you need to be able to recognize this and flip that switch and be like, this has to be, I have to be in this. Right? There's just no shot I was missing that. Even when NQ sold down and the entry was weird, I was like, all right, I just have to be in ES. Like, I need to be in this. Even if I'm in the weaker ticker, you got to be in that move. Or even if I'm in the slightly stronger ticker there, you got to be in that, right? So I'm not saying this to put you down for missing it. I'm saying recognition of the issue is huge. And then now your job is to make sure that you have enough reps and you go back and you study so that next time this type of thing presents itself, you're in it. Because I was in your exact position years ago, just missing moves, missing trades. And it sucks. It sucks. Missed completely. I was waiting for 15 minutes to flip. Yeah, it's just a little too much confirmation. To me, the 5 was more than enough. Even the 5, I felt like I waited a little bit too much. We called shorts right here, chat. Did we not? We called shorts on this flip. The thing is, that's a higher risk entry, right? Less confirmation, but I mean, dude, that would have banged. Chat, what? That's almost a 7R from where we called shorts. If you think I'm capped, like, just go watch the stream. We called shorts right on this flip. I just said that this is a riskier entry. So if you want a lower confirmation, riskier entry, higher R, that's your short. I waited for a little bit more. We showed it right here. Bro, you don't know how many trades I have missed past week? Yeah, nah, it takes time. Execution is the hardest part. Chat, you can be a really good analyst. That doesn't mean you're a good trader. And that was me for years. I've been able to call price at a very high level for years. But it wasn't until the last couple years that I really shifted from being a good analyst to being a great trader. And in terms of execution, like catching the moves. Because calling a move and being able to expect moves and analyze the markets is one thing, but actually getting in them with you know, the right position sizing, the right risk reward, and managing the trades properly is a whole different thing. You can be a good analyst and a bad trader, and you can be a good trader and a bad analyst. This should hold lower, and we should see this fall through. This coffee's mid as hell, chat. I'll stay on stream for a little bit, call price with you guys, and kind of walk through things. But we're green bean. I'm not taking anything else. Let them know, chat. Let them know. And chat, I'm not on some misleading play pretend ass trading. This is all funded. This is not, I'm not on a live account. This is not live in terms of I'm not on a personal account. I'm on fundeds. Every single account. No evals though. There's no evals on this trade. I did not take this trade on a single eval. I took this on 25 funded accounts. So I'm sizing like $200 to $250 risk, and I'm stacking base hits every single day. So 12K P&L, it's not on my personal account. That's on all funded with prop. So there's no confusion. I don't want you guys thinking I'm flexing eval P&L. These are not evals. This is funded. So these are all funded, just so you guys know. I'm not out here trying to be misleading. You get full transparency, you come to the stream, right? This is all prop firm funded on the copier P&L. So that's cumulative P&L of all the prop firm accounts. We have like 25 on the funded, on the copier. And they have it all. But shit, chat, are y'all green giants? Y'all better be green, man. Y'all better be green. There's no way you're not green. There's no way you're not green. Where do all my other sounds go? Hold on, I gotta fix this. Bum, bum, bum. We cooked today, chat. Okay, here we go. I gotta start playing this when we hit PT, chat. This is a theme song where we just smack a banger every day. That's the theme song. We smack a banger. Let me see what else we got. I updated the stream, the sound deck. Bum, bum, bum. We got the oral one. That's like the aura one. Oh, I added this one from The Hangover.
I think it's safe to say that our luck has officially turned around, guys. We are back, baby. We are back. We are back.
That's when you smack a dub after a loss. We are back. Yeah, that's a banger though. We gotta play this. This is the theme song for the day after smacking a trade like that. $7.6 for S7 is crazy. Let's go. Let's go, man. Feels good. Beautiful week so far. Chat on stream. All live on stream. Bro, what, Bam, stop yapping. Nah, I'm yapping, man. I'm yapping. I'm soaking this in. This is a beautiful day. Beautiful trade, beautiful day. I'm soaking it all in, man. Gotta live in the moment and enjoy it. Markets are not always like this, brother. You be in the markets long enough, you'll see that there are not always days like this where there's just A+ setups. You gotta enjoy it. The markets don't offer opportunities as beautiful as that very often. It's like once a month, if that. Good trade, bro. I'm gonna head out now. All right, Zaki. Phase 2 cleared? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get that man is funded. Get that man is funded. Get that guy is funded right now. Come on now. Let's go. I need him with the funded right now. Let's go, chat.
Green Giant.
How you link the funded accounts? Tradecopia. Tradecopia, man. Shout out Tradecopia. Use code patiently if you guys get Tradecopia. Goated firm. Not a goated firm. Goated copier. Goated company. Tradecopia is great. You can basically put every firm on the copier. But only get trade, like you need to be stacking a bunch of fundeds first. So it takes time. You gotta trade one account, learn how to trade an account, learn how to trade in general, start stacking base hits on one account, hit payouts, then start running a ton of accounts on the copier. You gotta work up to it. S7, that is a banger. 29,801. Yeah, you played this flip. Oh my god, that's nasty. S7, that's gross. Yeah, you took the high risk, high reward one. Bro, it's like 10R to the lows there. Thoughts on shorts from the 15? Could still play. We got all this room to the daily external chat. Look, all the way down here. All this room to the daily external. Chat, respectfully, we might be the most underrated stream on YouTube right now. We might actually be the most underrated live trading stream on YouTube right now. But what's real will prevail. What's real will prevail. Things are gonna start growing. We got 35 viewers, and we average probably 50 viewers on YouTube. Bro, we give bangers every single day, bro. We really give out bangers almost every single day. We might be the most slept on stream on YouTube. Is Ben live? Trying to see what's good with Ben. I want to show him the Pokemon collection.
Anxiety is faith in ourselves rather than faith in God. What's up with white people?
I think he's banned right now on TikTok. My live was discontinued due to inactivity. What does that even mean? Bro, TikTok is mad soft, chat. I'm not gonna lie. TikTok is hella soft. TikTok is hella soft, bro. Alright, well, we're done with the TikTok stream for today. Soft ass platform, bro. Man. I don't even know what it'd be saying sometimes. I just DM Ben. Yo, D-Trades, you in the chat or no? D-Trades, you in the chat? Yes or no? I was going to hold, but can't be greedy. Nah, man. Take the base hits. You trade higher R than me. I don't trade as high of R. I focus more on win rate, lower base hits. What did we net on that? Chat, that was a flipping banger. So we net 2. But we took 75% off. So 2, and then quarter was at these lows. 3R. It was probably like a 2.4. Wait. Probably like a 2.3, 2.2. Higher R, more losses. Yeah, it's true. So that's like you're gonna have some banger R trades. You'll probably have a slightly lower win rate than me, but that doesn't matter. Like it's not, you know what I mean? As long as you're profitable and you have plus EV and it's working, it's working. I just prefer a higher win rate, like a more consistent win rate. But yeah, higher R, lower win rate. Lower R, higher win rate. So my win rate will probably be higher and a little more consistent. But you'll hit more R trades, like higher R. Chat, we cooked today. We really do this. All right, chat, I'm throwing a pull up. Chat, vote on the poll. Sheesh. 75% green. 75% green. So always mark out. You want to mark out the gaps from the top down. And you want to use the structure and the liquidity as targets and to get a feel for where price is going. So with this daily gap, what we called on Monday, was price going to reach into this and staying down to create a lower weekly candle, most likely to the downside. That's what we were expecting. We called it all on Monday at the beginning of the session. Holy chat. Oh my God. Bro. Price is gonna sell all the way to the daily external chat. You might see this is like final target for me. I don't know if you'll see it today. That would be crazy. How far down is that? Oh, it's this, isn't it? Is it PDL? Okay, this is final target. PDL. You might see that today. Holy hell. Dude, we are bleeding. What an absolute banger. Yeah, this is crazy, chat. We're still selling. Bombs away, bombs away. Oh my god, chat. Here's the next lows. That's the 4 hours, bro. Oh my lord. What a just absolute bloodbath. Oh my lord, chat. We're gonna go to the daily external right now. We might. Holy, bro. What are we down? Okay, it's only 1%. It feels like way more. Oh my gosh, chat. Bro, we're gonna go to the daily gap. That would be final target. I wouldn't want to short past the daily external. So these lows are here. We walked price to a T this week, chat. Caught it on Monday. This exact delivery. What were we looking for? Feels bullish. This guy, bro. Chat, sorry, I'm just texting my friends. Holy, bro, absolute bloodbath. I don't know how I'm up 1200 on my rhythmic. I don't know if that's positive slippage or if it sized me wrong. Bro, why are my top step accounts up double my other accounts, chat? Like, I know if it's cool because it was a winning trade and now that's more P&L for me. But if that's a losing trade, I'm taking double the loss for no reason. So I don't know what happened with that. Maybe it's rhythmic and it was positive slippage, or I don't know what was good with that. Everything else is fine. Actually, that was the funded seats. That wasn't top step. That was my funded seats. Yeah, that was my funded seat accounts. I don't know what's good with that, but all my other fundeds are up 500, and then the 3 of my funded seats are up 1100. I don't know how that happened. I do not know. But chat, that was a banger, huh? We really do this. We probably have the most underrated stream on YouTube. I'm not gonna lie. What's real will prevail. Things are gonna keep growing. I'm not worried about it. Chat, if you get more prop accounts, use code patiently. Show some love. I'll get a little bit of an affiliate kickback. I'm giving you guys bangers every single day to help you pass fundeds, help you hit payouts. If you want to show some love to the stream and support me directly, use code patiently with all the prop firm accounts you get. I really appreciate it, guys. If you want to directly support me, that's the best way. Like I said, I'm live every single day for free on YouTube, giving out bangers, helping you pass your evals, pass your fundeds, or hit payouts on your fundeds. So if you want to show that love, code patiently. Should work for most firms, but the ones down below: Tradeify, Alpha Futures Funded Seat, E8 Markets. Use code patiently, show some love. It'll give me, a direct little kickback commission. So I really appreciate it. Full disclaimer, full transparency. I only promote firms that I use. Every single one of the firms at the bottom of the screen I'm trading right now. I have to sneeze, chat. What an absolute sell-off. Bloodbath. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna end stream early. I'm not doing nothing else, chat. I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of the day. Green bean on all the accounts. We're getting close to a big payout. Just got to keep stacking the base hits. We got to keep coming in every day, focusing on the process, managing the risk. That's all it is. That's all it is, man. Bless you. Thank you, Charmaine. I appreciate it. But yeah, man, God bless you guys. You bless me while I sneeze. I'm saying God bless you. Have a good rest of your day, man. I hope you guys caught that with me. Hope you guys got some green bean, whether that's on the evals or the fundeds. Hopefully we're getting better every single day, man. So if you didn't take the trade, study it, learn from it. Great shorts. Even when we were in drawdown on that short, I told you it's a great trade. Outcome doesn't matter. We take good trades every day. It's all that matters. Take good trades with edge. Attack every day with intention. Focus on the process. And with prop firms, high win rate, low R, stack base hits. That's the formula, chat. So hopefully you guys are learning stuff every single day, man. God bless. Have a good rest of your day. And yeah, man.